Hey everybody, we just got done drawing
A creeper!
a creeper from the Minecraft movie. We had a lot of fun with it. This is mine. This is Finn's. So we're going to show you how we did it, and we hope you have fun. Let's jump into it. All right, what are we drawing today, Finn?
A creeper.
Creeper. The worst sound in the world when you're in survival.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do a creeper. His head's going to be right here. He's going to be kind of like a smushed, cute, kind of like a Funko Pop creeper. But he's going to be about that big. Okay? So his head is going to be kind of a perfect square, but with rounded corners.
Yeah.
Okay? So we're going to start up going down, round, rounded corner, rounded corner, rounded corner. That is a huge creeper. Okay, and now we're going to just draw a little dot right here for a reference point, maybe a little bit more inward. Dot right there, dot right there. It's just so that they're the same distance from the corners in, so it's kind of nice and symmetrical. Okay, and then we're just going to go straight down a little bit and straight down a little bit. Yep. I'm going to go down a little bit more, but you can if you want. You don't have to. Okay, and now we're going to do 2 squares for his feet, okay? But they're going to kind of start out here a little bit further out than this line that we drew. So it looks like this. And I want to make sure that I don't go past that line because that's going to be the center point of his body. So I go right here, and I don't quite go to that middle dot. Don't quite go to that middle dot. And then I go down, 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 down. Okay, and then I'll just round these edges here, just so that we make his little feet. And then we could draw a line that connects the two about right there. It's kind of a cute creeper.
Okay,
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll draw his little toenails.
What? I didn't know creepers had toenails.
Oh. Well, these ones do.
Creepers probably do have toenails.
Maybe in the Minecraft movie they do, because they're a little bit more realistic, not quite so pixelated.
Like in real Minecraft.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're going to draw his eyes and his mouth. So I like to draw a dot right there in the center, just so I know that it's not going to be like his mouth over here and his eyes over here.
Yeah.
And he looks all crazy. So I'm going to draw one little line and then another little line, like that. Yep. And then I'm going to connect those two with a little arch, like that. Okay. And then up on the edges here, in, and then up on the top, over, down. That's his mouth. And then his eyes are just perfect squares. Oops. Okay, now we're going to color in this, this, and this. All right, that's pretty much it. Super simple, super easy. You ready to color them in?
Yep.
Let's do it. All right, there's our creeper from the Minecraft movie.
Mm-hmm.
I like how you did all the little details that I didn't do, because he has like all the different color squares and pixels and stuff. I just did mine straight up smooth. Tell me what is going on here.
So the creeper's just big-headed because I accidentally drew his head gigantic. And it's this big-headed creeper, and there's a guy just poking out. It's like, why is your head big?
It's like, because I want it to be.
No, because he's so close.
All right, well, there's our creeper. We had a lot of fun with it. We hope you had fun. Give it a thumbs up.
Yeet.
And we'll see you next time.